We are going to discuss about the topic, and our topic is what is our opinion about ragging. As you know, in colleges, in offices, and in the new organization, wherever we go, ragging is held over there. So, this is Mr. Hitesh with me, and many more kids are there. Hello, good to have. So, we are just going to discuss about ragging's role in our life. Should the ragging be held or it should not be held? So, let us just discuss about it. Yes, Mr. Hitesh. My question to you is, what do you just think about ragging? What do you just think about ragging? Is ragging mandatory in offices, colleges, schools, or any organization? As you know, to me, as per my opinion, ragging should there be only for the purpose of introduction. Like today, I joined a new college, so there I'll find a few newcomers as well as my old students, old classmates. So, ragging is considered to be only the part of introduction, according to me. So, what do you just think about it? Is ragging same? Should ragging be held? Is it compulsory to be held in the organizations or not? Come on, you just hold it and start. What do you think about it?
So, first of all, I will tell you some points that what is ragging.
Alright.
So, from my opinion, ragging is a process in which our seniors give us some task to perform. So, this process, which was held in colleges, is known as ragging. So, from my opinion, ragging was or still is not a good task because people think that it is a process in which what we want we
Whatever we want,
what we want
the students,
The students,
they can do anything.
they can
Whatever-
do
we can ask
Our-
them to do anything.
our
We can force them.
our seniors whatever the task they gave
Give
us
us.
and we have to perform on any.
We have to do whatever we ask them to do.
Yes, sir.
All right.
So this was not good because sometimes they told us to perform a very bad task in front of people also. So this was not good. And against ragging, our government also took certain steps to completely ban it in the colleges. So still, and now in many colleges, ragging is completely prohibited. But a few seniors who think that we are not incoming in the phase of we are not coming in the phase or we are not in
Nobody will come to know
nobody
about
come to
us.
know about it, but so they still used ragging. So people face many problems.
So according to you, ragging must be banned.
Yes, sir. Ragging must be banned. If it will be implemented, so it will only the part of introduction that a junior comes and introduce herself or himself in front of the seniors,
Alright.
and that's it. So I think ragging was
So according to you, ragging should be
Ragging-
completely banned.
Yes, sir.
Like we have seen in the movie Three Idiots.
yes, sir.
Not only Three Idiots,
Yes.
before that there was a movie Munna Bhai MBBS. In that also they have shown a few scenes of ragging,
Yes, sir.
where students have to pose, they have to take off their shirts and t-shirts and they just have to make posing,
Yes, sir.
bodybuilding posing.
Sir, recently the movie I watched, Kabir Singh.
Yes.
In that movie also there is some task,
There is some
The-
task of ragging.
Ragging.
Alright, alright.
but according to government completely banned the ragging.
Government should ban it. You
Yes,
are, government has banned it or you ask the government to ban it.
So government already banned it.
Government has banned it.
Yes, sir.
So now it is illegally taken in the
Yes,
colleges.
sir.
It is illegally performed in
Yes,
the
sir.
colleges and
Schools.
organization.
Yes, sir.
You know, this is not limited to only schools. This is also in offices.
Yes, sir.
When you go for the first time in the office to continue or to resume or to start your job, at that time also ragging is held, which according to me is good. But it is only good in a limit.
Yes, sir.
When they ask you to touch the current, you know, there are so many cases which happen in our country. In those, the seniors or some bully persons, they asked the applicant to just touch the current. You see, so touching the current is this is not an easy task. By
Yes, sir.
touching the current, a person can lose his life.
Yes, sir.
So this way, ragging is one of the most stupid tasks if any senior or anybody is asking someone to do this kind of activity. On the other hand, as per my opinion, ragging might be good too. Ragging might be good, like today you joined, and suppose that today is your first day in my college, in our college, and I'm the senior student. So you might need a lot of things, like you might need a lot of suggestions from us. So if we see this from the perception of helping the juniors, so juniors can take a lot of help
Yes.
from the seniors, and it might be if we do not rag each other, if we do not come to know about each other, that who I am, how you can ask me for the help, how you can ask me for the help. So according to me, an introduction, when a wavelength is there between us, so we just come to know about a lot of things of each other, and we can just ask a lot of questions to each other. And according to me, this is only possible when I rag you. Ragging doesn't mean that when I ask you to do stupid tasks. It means when I ask you to do, ask you about your introduction, when I come to know about you. So that is something which should happen. But there have just been a lot of cases in our country in which students have lost their life. And there was a movie also on the basis of ragging. I think the movie was Table Number 211. Have you seen it?
Table number 21. No, sir, I am not.
Table number 21. Table number 21 or 221?
I don't know.
There was a movie, we do not particularly remember that which it was, but there was a movie. So, as per my opinion, I am of the opinion that it should be banned. And if it is allowed, then there should be a particular limit about it. There should be some limits about it.
certain guidelines
So there
so
should be some guidelines which students must follow.
follow them.
And they should not ask the raggers, the person who is going to follow, who is going to perform the ragging. They should not ask him the stupid questions to do,
Yes.
some stupid tasks to do. Like sometimes sometimes it's funny too. Like the raggers ask the student to propose
Yes,
any
sir.
girl,
Or
and where sometimes this kind of activity can land him into trouble.
yes, sir.
Yes. What do you think about it?
It's not good.
It's not good.
It's not good to perform
No,
stupid tasks.
It is too-
It's only good only for introduction and to about hobbies and all of other things, but not personal questions or not
Personally, we should
stupid
not
tasks.
ask them those questions.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but you know it has two sides. Suppose that you are ragging me and you ask me to propose any girl, and I go propose that, and if she accepts my proposal, what do you think about it?
Sir,
It is sometimes good. It is.
It's good, but in case of propose it's good. But in some other cases, it will not good. If someone tells us remove your clothes in front of people,
All right.
then it was not good.
Okay, so why do you just think that in case of proposing it is good? Listen up.
Because
When you are going to propose someone, she might land you in trouble. She might call her parents.
Yes, sir.
She might register a police case against you, since she doesn't even know you. You know, and you are going to just propose her. So she might land you in trouble. She might file a case against you. She might ask her parents to come there. She might slap you, and you'll be completely embarrassed in front of the whole college once she insults you. What do you think about it?
sir, if somebody gives me such a task,
Hmm.
I perform that task. Later, I will tell him that it was a task
Task.
given by somebody.
Alright.
So don't take it personal.
Alright. So is this all from your side?
Yes, sir.
Alright, then can I have it?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So this was our topic, and the topic was what is our opinion about ragging? Should it be held in the colleges or not? So thanks for watching. Goodbye. Take care and have a nice time.